Hello everyone, welcome to Chandigarh Civil Services Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss one important topic titled The Economics of Oil Bonds. Now we should know what are oil bonds, but before that, we all know the prices of petroleum products are at an all-time high और वो काफी ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं. So what is the government's explanation for the rise in prices of petroleum products? So before discussing that, we should know what comprise of the price of पेट्रोल और पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स कि उस जो प्राइस है उसके अंदर क्या क्या आ जाता है. क्या जो टोटल फॉर एग्जांपल द 1 लीटर कॉस्ट ₹106. सो क्या 106 रुपीज खाली पेट्रोलियम का ही प्राइस है? कुछ और भी तो उसके अंदर इंक्लूड हो सकता है. सो वी विल गेट टू नो कि व्हाट कंप्राइज ऑफ दैट ₹106. So that comprises of basically two components. The first component is the price of crude oil itself, which is the basic price of oil. Okay. So the second component is the taxes imposed on the retail price. Sorry, the basic price. So these are the two components which are included in the price of petrol per liter. So जो ये prices हैं इसके अंदर जैसे अब हमने आज का रेट है पेट्रोल का ₹106 पर लीटर. तो उसके अंदर जो 50% है वो टैक्सेस हैं and the rest of it is the basic price. For diesel the taxes are less. It is 44% as of now. So we now know कि जो price है उसके components क्या क्या होते हैं. Now what is the government's explanation for the rise in the price of petroleum products? Firstly, the government is of the opinion कि यूक्रेन रशिया कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह से prices rise हुए हैं. And that is a valid reason because any war lead to disturbances in the supply channels and this is one valid reason. Another reason that the government gives is कि जो यूपीए एरा में ऑयल बॉन्ड्स इशू किए गए थे वो पे बैक करने के चक्कर में ये प्राइस इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड वी आर इन अ बर्डन टू पे दैट अमाउंट. अब हमें पहले पता होना चाहिए कि ऑयल बॉन्ड्स होते क्या हैं. सो ऑयल बॉन्ड्स ये तब इशू किए गए थे जब यूपीए एरा में प्राइसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए थे पेट्रोल के और कंज्यूमर्स they were like we can't pay this amount and the government approached the oil marketing companies and the government said that you don't charge that much amount from the customers. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अगर 100 रुपीज का वो चार्ज कर रहे हैं सो गवर्नमेंट सेड कि डोंट चार्ज दिस मच, चार्ज ₹80 एंड द गैप इन बिटवीन द 20 rupee gap that will be paid by the government in installments over a period of few years. और ये पे बैक करने का जो उन्होंने मीडियम रखा that was oil bonds. They issued oil bonds to the oil marketing companies. Those bonds were like promissory notes. वो एक तरह के assurance थी by the government कि the amount that they are waiving off that will be paid by the government in installments. इस तरीके से एकदम से गवर्नमेंट पर प्रेशर भी नहीं पड़ा. इट वॉज नॉट अ बर्डन एंड इस वजह से फिजिकल डेफिसिट भी एकदम से इंक्रीज नहीं हो गया. और ये जो ऑयल बॉन्ड्स थे ये गवर्नमेंट ने इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में पे करने का प्रॉमिस किया. एंड द एनडीए गवर्नमेंट विच इज इन पावर राइट नाउ इट सेज कि ये जो उस टाइम का डिसीजन था वी आर स्टिल suffering that decision and we are still under the burden of paying that amount back to the oil marketing companies. So is that a valid reason? the article says, this article was in Indian Express, the article says that no, this cannot be a valid reason because जो revenues थे वो भी equally rise हुए हैं. It's not like the revenues have not risen in this sector. इस सेक्टर में revenues भी बहुत ज़्यादा rise हुए हैं. So this burden should not be considered as a reason for the rise in price of petroleum products, and this can't be an excuse. And जब यूपीए एरा में ये ऑयल बॉन्ड्स इशू किए गए थे, the prime minister at that time, Manmohan Singh, he said that it is like pushing the liability to the future generations. So the concept was made clear by the prime minister himself, and so this is the whole concept of oil bonds. So now a question comes to our mind ki, is it good to issue such kind of bonds? So the article says that yes, bonds should be issued with a primary motive to increase the productive capacity of the economy. अगर एनडीए गवर्नमेंट यूपीए गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम करती है फॉर रिगार्डिंग ऑयल बॉन्ड्स, एनडीए गवर्नमेंट itself has issued bonds like at the time when PSUs were running into losses. So to recapitalize those loss making units, उन्होंने bonds issue किए थे. So the bonds are of value अगर वो productive capacity increase करती है economy की. So this was what the article was all about. I hope the concept of oil bonds is clear to every one of you, and any other suggestion is welcomed in the comment section below. Thank you everyone.